Today in this video I show you how to make big text in Discord. For this you have to open Discord app. Now open the server in which you want to send big text and then you have to type hash and then give space. Now type the text you want to send. Click on the send icon. You can see big text has been sent. If you want, you can also try double hash and then space. Now type text you want and send bold text like this. If you want to send small text, then you can also try these two ways. Type triple hash and then space. Now your text and click on send icon. You can see text will send like this. Now to try another way, enter minus icon with hash. Now you have to give space and type your text. Click on send icon. You can see small text will send like this. So this is how you can make big text in Discord. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.